The Nissan X-Trail's throttle body regulates air intake. Over time, carbon buildup can cause issues like rough idling or poor acceleration. Resetting the throttle body allows the engine control unit to relearn the throttle's baseline. A safe reset is crucial to avoid electrical damage or voiding warranties. This process is commonly needed after cleaning the throttle body, replacing components, or when error codes appear. Ensure you are using OEM parts to prevent complications. Here's how to safely reset your X-Trail's throttle body. First, ensure the engine is cold by turning it off for at least 2 hours. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes using safe tools. Then reconnect the battery. Start the engine and let it idle for 15 to 20 minutes without touching the accelerator pedal to allow the ECU to adapt. For X-Trail models from 2015 onwards, consider using an OBD2 scanner for an automated relearn if available. Avoid aggressive throttle cleaners and metal tools. Rushing the idle relearn can lead to incomplete adaptation and performance issues.